close to it. Like having her around my baby with my mama. Like she been my baby daddy. She's mad at me for sleeping with her best friend. Okay, but you know, she slept with all my best friends. You know what I'm saying? So
on July 17th, 2024, a woman confronted her ex outside an apartment complex, furious over his affair with her best friend. After a brief scuffle, she jumped behind the wheel, gunned the engine, and aimed straight at him.
How you doing, man?
I'm doing good.
What's going on?
Okay. So
where'd she hit you at first of all?
huh? She just kept running up on me like, you know what I'm saying, like trying to hit me. So she swung so hard that she turned around. I pushed her into the car. Okay. She's been leaving notes on my truck talking about she's gonna send someone over here. You know, a couple people. She's gonna get someone to handle my ass and all this. We have a baby together, but she doesn't let me see my child. You know what I'm saying? And it's just an ongoing problem, man. And you know, I don't know. I didn't hit her. I just pushed her into the car, and you know, she kept running at me. I'm sure that the black girl that's with her can be a witness of that. But
what's she driving?
she's driving that. Is it still there? That Honda right there.
The silver one?
Yes, that gold. Yes, that gold color one. She's out past curfew. She's on drug court. You know, I didn't.
What's her name?
Her name is Kinsley Lanier.
Okay. Okay.
You know,
Yeah,
she's out past curfew. What the hell is she doing at my house at 2 o'clock in the morning? We have fucking 12 hours a day. She can sit peacefully, come by here and have a decent conversation about our child, but she won't answer the phone. She sends me these crazy ass text messages, and it's just an ongoing problem, man. And my brother lives here with me. He's in there. He gotta go to work in the morning. She's out here yelling to the top of her lungs, causing a big scene when she don't have to. You know what I'm saying?
So what's she mad at you about?
She's mad at me for sleeping with her best friend. Okay, but you know, she slept with all my best friends. You know what I'm saying? So.
Right.
So, you know, I guess she's out to get me, dude. She's leaving notes on my truck, man. I don't know, dude. I don't know.
Okay.
I just don't know, dude.
So
I'm sick of it.
What did she come over here for tonight?
Did
she just show up, or did you invite her?
No, I did not invite her.
Okay, so when she showed up here, what happened?
She is blocked on my phone. She got out of the car yelling, ranting and raving, as loud to the top of her lungs. And I was like, can we just have a decent conversation? She's like, you dirty dick, fucking my friends, this. She tried to hit me with a car, you know what I'm saying? And I jumped on top of the hood, and that's when I had 911 dialed on my phone. I jumped on top of her hood to keep her from hitting me. And, you know, it was just,
what's her name?
Her name's Kinsley.
Kinsley.
You know, man, I don't...
You got your ID on you?
Yes, I do. It's over here in my truck.
Okay.
Wait, no, it's right here. I bet I got a lot on me. I think you stopped me before on,
yeah, I was looking at that S10. It looked familiar. I think back when you didn't have a tag on it.
Yeah, it smelled like weed in there.
Yeah.
I don't smoke nothing no more. I'm trying to get my life together, but you know, it's just, I don't know, man. She don't let me see my kid. I don't know, dude. It's just a lot. This is too much. I got it right here.
So you said she showed up here,
yelling at you,
and
raving, and I tried to peacefully calm the situation.
Wait. Let me try to get the story straight.
I seen her parked over here. And she'd been sitting there for about 30 minutes. Okay, I come outside. I was like, "Hey, what are you doing sitting across from my house?" That's when she pulled up, you know, yelling and acting all crazy, and so on and so forth. You know what I mean? So
when she came over here and you came outside, what happened?
She just jumped out of the car, yelling, talking about why you my best friends, yelling to the top of the lungs. I'm like, dude, my brother's in there asleep. You're gonna get me kicked out of the only place I have to live. You know what I'm saying? We do not need to do this. She's like, "F you, I'm fixing to hit you with a car." You know what I'm saying? She's gonna run me over. She backed up. I jumped on top of the hood, okay? And then she jumped out of the car and went to swing at me. And when she swung at me, she turned all the way around and I pushed her into the car. You know what I'm saying?
So she didn't actually hit you?
No, she didn't. And I didn't hit her. So you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
So.
Well, I'm gonna go over here and talk to her and see what her story is.
Okay, that's okay.
If I need anything else from you, I'll come back over here.
Okay, I'll be out here waiting.
All right.
What you made she try to hit you with a car? What do you mean she tried to hit you with a car? What'd she do?
I was standing right here and she run at me, you know what I'm saying, with the car, and I jumped on top of the hood. And yeah, that's what happened.
Veered off towards you?
Sir?
Veered off towards you?
No, she backed up and like went at me as fast as she could, you know what I'm saying, all intentions to hit me, you know? And then when she seen I jumped on top of the car, she backed up and jumped out and went to swing at me. And when she swung, she turned all the way around. I pushed her.
I got that part, but what I'm asking is, so you said she come up this way and you jumped on the hood, then you said she backed up. What'd she do?
Here. I was standing right here. Just right here. Trying to talk to her, like, hey, can we have a piece of conversation? And I jumped on top of the hood. She backed up, and you know what I'm saying? Kind of worked my way over here, and yeah, that's when she jumped out of the car and swung at me. So, I don't know. That's what happened, dude.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna run over here and talk to her right quick, okay?
Okay, I appreciate it. I'll be right here.
All right.
Can I tell you something?
Yeah.
This girl has been harassing the whole family. If not for that baby, we would have been done called her probation officer. She come by here earlier today. Dawson didn't even know it. Put a note in his truck. He's tried to be friendly with her, but like there's a lot going on. She went and keyed his ex-girlfriend's car. She's on felony probation. She's supposed to be at home by 7 o'clock every night. She's in drug court. She's got a curfew. She's doing acid. She's doing shrooms. I got text messages to prove it. She's proud of it because drug tests, they don't show up on drug tests, so she's getting away with it. She's got almost will be a year old, and she's using this baby to hurt us. She let Dawson see her, and then she took her away because she got mad.
Right.
She is very crazy. She's very controlling. She wants Dawson to get back with her, and he called me freaking out because the only way we know that she found out where he lived is she rode by and saw his truck.
Right.
Because nobody's told her, because we keep this stuff from her. He had to change his phone number. She called him over 100 times in an hour.
Jeez.
Like, that's how bad this is.
Right.
And she don't stop.
Yeah, I'm about to go over here now and talk to her and try to figure out what's going on with the two stories and see what we can do about it, okay?
She is a liar. Like, she has drove us crazy.
I imagine.
And I'm surprised she don't have the baby in the car with her. That's how bad this is.
Who has the baby?
There's no telling.
Okay.
And she's got different guys around that are on meth. Obviously, you can tell. She doesn't care. Like, it's an awful situation. He's got an interview tomorrow at Walmart. He's trying to get a regular job. He's always done construction. So he moved in with his brother just a few days ago. Like I said, we don't even know how she knows.
Right.
So he can get his life together, so he can take her to court about it. Because he's in a bad situation. And nobody will tell anybody. Because everybody's scared of Kinsley freaking out and running off with her.
Right, right.
You know, it's just awful.
How you doing? Okay.
I
So
know you.
what's going on tonight?
I'm in drug court. I know who you are.
Okay.
You know me?
I don't, but
You know Ken?
that's not relevant right now. So what's going on?
I left work to take my co-worker home. I've been having baby daddy problems for a while. I do it alone with my kid. I do it all alone. I pay for everything alone. Take care of them alone. I'm exhausted. I don't hate not being a mother, but I mean, I don't hate being a mother, but it's hard sometimes when it's all me. I've been doing it alone from the get-go. He's been on drugs the whole time. I'm in drug court right now just for weed and alcohol because I keyed a girl's car like a while ago. And I got put in drug court for it. Well, tonight I got off and I put him down and we're headed back to the Applebee's. And he's outside by his truck. And I didn't know he was there till last night when I drove by and I was in his car after a meeting. And really all it was too, he was outside. I got him, he was like flagging me down, like screaming at my car. I pulled in and then we got out. We were screaming at each other. I've been getting close with people who are sober in drug court. I've been putting my trust in the girls that are in drug court, becoming good friends with them. And this girl.
Can I speak to you for a second? Over here. So what happened when y'all got over there?
I'm gonna tell you the honest truth. When we got over there, he was outside in his drawers, and she did not know that he did live over there. So when she seen his truck, and she was like, "Oh, this looks like my baby daddy truck." That's when he came out. And so I was just like, you know what? Let's just leave it alone because it's just bad. It's negativity. I don't want that. So that's when she was just like, okay. So that's when he walked out. He was outside of his apartment. And there he goes. I guess she let her anger get the best of her, and she went over there, and she was just like, she parked. So I got out of the car because I don't do that negative stuff. I got in the car, and he was like all respectful and everything, and she was mad because of the friend and him messing around and stuff like that right now. And so that's when he was just like asking her to go. I was just like, let's just go. And so that's when like she was still arguing. She let the anger get the best of her. So that's when he went in the house. He was like, all right, let's go. You know, leave. So he came out the house. He had his little gun with him, and so he wasn't pointing at anything. He wasn't like threatening. He was just like telling her like, I'm gonna show you something if you don't leave. Basically like that right there. And I was just like, I'm just quiet. I'm just like, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna be honest. So that's when he goes back into the apartment. He goes back into the house, and then he already told her to leave. He comes out, and then they're like in the yard. She let her anger get the best of her, and they kind of like threw hands. He like punched her in the nose, and so that really made her like, you know, kind of like get in the car. And I was just like, just get in the car. I'm just trying to calm him down, cause like I don't want nothing else. I don't want to go to trouble. So she gets in her car. He jumps on her car, basically, and she tries to like run him over and stuff like that. I was like, let's just go.
So she did try to run him over?
Yeah, she did. I'm being honest. So,
because he did say that she swung at him, but she never made contact with him.
No, but
he said that he pushed her.
He did not push her. He hit her in her nose.
Okay.
Yeah, he did, and her nose was bleeding. It was bleeding, as you can look at her little nose pushing out. And that's when it's like, let's just go, because like it ain't even worth it. And he left.
You have your ID with you?
I do have my ID with me.
Now if I see it?
Yes.
And I'm angry.
So you were just riding around?
No.
It just happened to make your way over there?
No, I was coming back. We went and took my coworker home. I work at Applebee's. You know, we all do. I took my coworker home, and we were coming back, and I was coming back here to go to Applebee's, and he was outside, and he went screaming at my car. I didn't expect him to be outside, but he was, and he was screaming at my car. I pulled in. I shouldn't have pulled in. I know. But I'm angry and I'm hurt right now. Because he's a friend, or she ain't even a friend, not no more. I put my trust in this sober girl in drug court. You know, I'm supposed to surround myself around sober people in drug court. And I've been getting close to her, like having her around my baby and with my mama, like having this girl at my house, going to meetings with her. And she's been f***ing my baby daddy and lying behind my back. And apparently she fought some girl.
And that's your baby daddy?
Yeah, she fought some girl, the girl that I caught a felony over a while back. She fought her the other night over my baby daddy. And it's been bothering me. It's been eating me up for days. I cried in court today because it's been bothering me. And then I pull in and I'm like, you know, I've got you blocked. Why do you keep f***ing with me? Why you gotta people I'm hanging around, people I'm putting my trust into, people I'm becoming friends with? Why do you have to do this to me? You don't have nothing to do with your kid. Like, can't you just...
Why were you even over there?
We were driving back by and he was outside. Like, outside in his fucking underwear. He seen my car and was...
So why were you over there to begin with, is what I'm asking? You're taking somebody home?
No. The girl I was taking home lives over here on 49. I took her home, we were headed back to Applebee's. So we're going back to Applebee's.
So you just took the long way past this house?
I mean, I just turned right here and came. Like, I mean, half of me probably was like, let me just drive by and see if this truck's there. But he happened to be outside and he went to screaming at my car, telling me to pull in. And then I'm like, why do you have to people I put my trust into? I'm like, why do you have to do this? I've got your family blocked, you blocked. I do it alone with my baby. Why do you have to go with people I'm putting my trust in, that I cry to about you? Like, why do you have to do that to me? I'm struggling as it is.
So what'd you pull in there for?
Because he was yelling, and I pulled in. Just not thinking about it. Just pulled in because he's yelling, telling me to pull in, screaming at me. And then I'm asking him, why do you have to do this? Why do you have to hurt me? Why do you have to... I've got you blocked and you still manage to go fuck people I'm hanging around. Like, why do you do that? Why do you do that to me?
Did she say anything when she was trying to run him over? Or are you just saying that she was trying to run him over? Like she intentionally drove towards him?
Yeah, basically.
So she backed up and then drove towards him?
Yeah, and I grabbed the thingy, the gear thingy, and I was like, no, we're not going to do this today. We're not going to do this today. Mm-hmm.
All right, you can step back over there.
All right, okay.
I'm sitting there and I'm like, well, why do you do this? Why are you, you know, I'm like, you're fucking these nasty bitches. People I'm becoming friends with in drug court. Like, why do you have to do this? People I'm putting my trust in that I'm crying to about you, and you're going out your way to go and fuck with them.
Well, we can agree on that you probably shouldn't have even gone
I shouldn't have
that
pulled
way
in
trying
there.
to get from 49
Yeah.
to Applebee's.
Did
With
he,
emotions and...
did he hit you? Where he hit you at?
Listen, my dog.
Is that why it's red right there? Can I speak to you over for a second?
As officers piece together this chaotic back and forth about betrayal, drug court, and broken trust, it all circles back to one explosive moment when she turned her car into a weapon, forcing him to leap onto the hood just to survive. And while she tried to run him over, you should run over to the subscribe button and drop a like so you don't miss more wild action like this. Now back to the chaos.
Well, will you turn around and put your hands behind your back for me?
Please don't put me in jail, please.
Put your hands behind your back for me, okay?
Please don't put me in jail.
Drop a cigarette.
Please tell me.
Let me lock this for you.
Please tell me what's going on.
Is there anything on you want me to go to jail with?
No.
You want to go to my car?
Let me take my car in my house. I'll tell you.
That other car on that side. 27 on 95. Okay. So you are under arrest, as you know. You don't have anything on you? Okay.
Please do.
Get in. I'm about to tell you. We're trying to run him over with the car. Okay. Okay. Well, then you could have left and called us.
He jumped on top of my car.
Okay. Well, put your feet
He
inside.
come out with a gun
It's
when
o-
I first got.
It's okay for her to take the car? Okay. Well, put your feet inside.
Please.
Kenzie, put your feet inside.
Please talk to me. I'm struggling.
I'll talk to you.
I'm hurting.
I'll talk to you in a little bit.
Can I finish my cigarette, please?
Not right now. I gotta finish all this up, okay?
My baby's birthday's in 3 days.
Okay, well put your leg in the car for me, okay?
Basically, yeah, they was like already like this right here, and she swung, and she missed, and that's when he like popped her in the nose and everything, and he was just like, see, I told you to leave and stuff like that.
So she swung at him?
Yeah, and she missed, and then that's when he swung at her, and then that's when the anger got the best of her, and she got in the car, and then tried to drive him over, had it.
Okay.
The woman was taken to the Baldwin County Jail and charged with aggravated assault and probation violation. What do you think? Did she go too far when she turned her car into a weapon? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you like this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video. And as always, stay safe out there.